GitHub CEO Thomas Dohmke to step down. Microsoft will not directly replace role. Report. GitHub CEO Thomas Dohmke Monday announced he will step down from the developer platform, with Microsoft deciding not to directly replace the position. According to a report by Axios, Dohmke, who took over as CEO in 2021, told employees in an email that he is leaving to pursue entrepreneurial endeavors. According to the outlet, Microsoft, which acquired GitHub in 2018, will now restructure the leadership of the platform. In a separate memo to staff, Microsoft Core AI head Jay Parikh said GitHub leadership will report to multiple Microsoft executives under the new structure. Microsoft Developer Division President Julia Lucen will oversee GitHub's revenue, engineering and support, while Chief Product Officer Mario Rodriguez will report to Microsoft AI Platform Vice President Asha Sharma. Axios said. GitHub, which has largely operated independently since the acquisition, has become a key part of Microsoft's push to attract developers to its Windows and Azure ecosystems, as well as its growing suite of AI-powered tools. Thomas Dohmke is a German computer engineering graduate who earned his degree in Technische Informatik, a rigorous blend of software and hardware systems design from Technische Universität Berlin, where he began his studies in 1998. This strong technical foundation set the stage for his later roles. From pioneering work in the automotive tech space to leading GitHub's integration of artificial intelligence into software development tools. What does GitHub do? Swipe left for next video. GitHub is a global developer platform that simplifies version control using Git, while offering tools like issue tracking, pull requests, wikis and integrated IDEs such as Codespaces. It fuels collaboration across teams and open-source projects, hosts tens of millions of repositories, and integrates CI/CD workflows with GitHub Actions. As one Redditor on Learn Programming put it, GitHub makes everyday software work smoother. Think cloud-based project development, secure backups, and easy collaboration. Even from your phone, so building software feels a lot more accessible and efficient.